Hey everyone, welcome back to GadgetVerse. Today we're taking a closer look at a camera that brings professional quality imaging into a super compact, creator-friendly package, the Canon EOS R50 mirrorless camera black, bundled with the RFS 1845mm f4.56.3 IS STM lens and a fully loaded accessory kit. If you've been searching for an affordable, lightweight hybrid camera for travel, vlogging, photography, and everyday content creation, this bundle delivers some serious value. Canon designed the R50 as an entry point into their RF system, but don't let the size fool you. This camera packs a 24.2 MP APS-C sensor, fast DIGIC X processor, and Canon's renowned dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system. That means eye tracking, face tracking, subject detection, and smooth autofocus transitions even while shooting 4K oversampled video. With no crop, 4K 30fps, 1080p 120fps slow motion, and clean color science right out of camera, it's built for creators who want reliable performance without complicated setups. The RFS 1845mm kit lens is perfect for everyday shooting. It's lightweight, quiet, and ideal for travel, landscapes, street photography, lifestyle content, and basic vlogs. But what makes this bundle stand out is everything else included: 2 extra batteries so you never run out while filming, 2 64GB SD cards, a sturdy Deco Gear photography bag, and a full accessories kit that eliminates the need to buy anything separately. For beginners, students, vloggers, or anyone on a budget, this complete setup is ready to go straight out of the box. If you're starting your YouTube channel, documenting trips, learning manual photography, or upgrading from a smartphone, the Canon EOS R50 gives you outstanding clarity, great stabilization, polished colors, and an intuitive menu system that makes shooting fun and not intimidating. Compact enough to carry every day. Powerful enough to produce professional-looking results. If you want premium Canon image quality without premium pricing, this is absolutely worth checking out. The full Amazon link is in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow GadgetVerse for more daily tech breakdowns. Buy now and upgrade your content.